This is my version of the Bubbling Cauldron DIY. I saw it scrolling through my FYP one day and I thought it would be perfect as I do a mad scientist potion lab set up by my front door every year. So this is all of the stuff that I used. Of course, you need a plastic cauldron, which you can get at pretty much any craft store. I got these off of Amazon and I will include a link. I got these ones specifically because they plug in. I have a ton of Halloween decorations that require batteries and it's just more hassle than it's worth. And also it came with a remote so I can change the color and the pattern in which the lights move. Now to fill the inside of the cauldron, I happen to have this piece of styrofoam laying around, and instead of it going in the landfill, I figured I'd just use it up. I traced around the rim of the cauldron and cut a little smaller since my marker couldn't quite make it all the way into the inside of the rim, and then threw all of the little bits I cut off in to fill that void. I got these from IKEA a long time ago. I knew they would be perfect because as much as I love the iridescent clear ball look, I wanted something opaque. I like the way these diffuse the light for that soft glow. They are technically made for the mini Christmas lights, and since this strand of LEDs has the little dots of glue, it keeps the balls in place. You can achieve the same look by using regular Christmas lights and ping pong balls. Slice a little X in one end of the ping pong ball and push the Christmas light through. It looks something like this. Or cut 2 X's in each ball and starting at one end, thread them through the length of the wire and position them over each of the LEDs. Next, you want to drill a hole in the bottom of the cauldron so you can feed your plug through it. Make sure you pick a drill bit that is the same diameter so that it will fit through the hole. And finally, you want to throw all of your filler in the bottom of the cauldron, pile your lights on. I glued some of them down around the rim so they weren't falling out and it was easy to move. Finish up by gluing some of the bubbles down the side so it looks like it's overflowing. I decided to leave a few extra unglued so that I could position them to make this poisonous potion look as if it's pooling on the table. And there you go, folks, my version of the bubbling cauldron. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.